How cool is this? An executive townhome in the heart of downtown Toronto with its very own atrium. Pretty impressive if you ask me, but this isn't the only thing that this property is going to impress you with. Located just steps to Yonge and College, Dundas Square, and Ryerson University, easy walking distance to Yorkville, University of Toronto, and the financial district, this property exists in the middle of all the action, but still offers a touch of that suburban feel. My name's Josh Miller with North Group Real Estate, and this is 64 Granby Street. With an impressive 2,400 square foot 3-bedroom floor plan, this brick townhome with a modern flair has been extensively renovated from top to bottom, offering high-end finishes, luxury thermador kitchen appliances, and a peaceful, minimalist vibe. Set on multiple levels with a sunny southern exposure and a private atrium, this property is oozing with character. .64 Granby is also part of the Lexington Condominium complex. A hot tub and indoor swimming pool, 2 squash courts, an indoor running track, gym and fitness center, party room, and barbecue terrace and sun deck are just some of the convenient amenities that 64 Granby has access to. For more information about this property, or if you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.